Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I am an AutoCAD instructor here in the Australian Institute, and today I'm here to show you this amazing software and how it works, some basic tools that we are using throughout this course, and let's start. So here in our screen we can start a drawing. And this is the interface of our AutoCAD. And this part here up, we have these tools that we are using in our drawing, basically to draw, to modify, and some other tools that we are doing in the future. And the first thing that we need to know here is our command bar that is talking to us all the time. So every command that we are using, this command bar here will show us what we need to do. So for example, let's draw a line. So click here in the line, click anywhere in your space, and AutoCAD is saying to us that we need to click in somewhere else, second point, specify the second point. And that's how we draw the first line. And you can try to do this any angle, any dimension, or if you need a dimensioned line, you can just type the number that you want. For example, I want 100, so I just type 100 in my keyboard. And now I have a line that dimensions 100. Okay, and you do the same thing for a circle. For example, you click on a circle, and here in this arrow you have more options of circle, such as center and radius, center, diameter, or 2 points, 3 points. So I will just choose center and radius. You just click anywhere and you put the dimension that you want. For example, 50. And that's my 50 radius circle. And you can try all of the tools that you have here to make new drawings. And here in this arrow, you have more tools. And you can just put your mouse up to this tool, and the program will tell you what this tool does. So you can just read and you know what this tool does. Okay, and now in this second tab here, that is what you're going to use a lot, you modify these drawings that we already have. So for example, I want to move my circle. I click here in move, select the object that I want to move, and press enter. Now I just want to specify a base point for my drawing, and I can move to anywhere that I want, such as here, for example. Or you can rotate. So I will rotate a line that I already draw here. So for example, this one, I will select, press enter, specify a base point, and now I can rotate to any angle, any direction that I want. See? And then you can try to do all of these tools. We are trying to do these tools during the course, and I will show you furthermore during the classes. All right? So that's it for today. Thank you, everyone.